Skylar started in Fantasia at around 8 months old. This was to get mum back into full-time employment.
The children we take are aged from 6 weeks old up to 12 years.
Some of our children are with us for a long day, so we try to... What's happening? Hello. So we try to do everything that the parents would do with the children at home.
We currently have over 125 children on our books, accessing the nursery at different times during the week.
She always comes home with stories about the staff and how much fun she's had.
I know she's happy here and she's well looked after.
If my needs change, then I know that they will be able to change to work around me.
It allows myself and Skylar's mum to work mostly any hours.
Maybe they want 1 day, 1 week, 3 days the following week. The service that we offer is very flexible in that respect.
Row, row your boat.
It promotes confidence within children and promotes their social development.
Since starting the Fantasia, hello. Since starting the Fantasia, Skylar's come on leaps and bounds.
She's been amazing since she started here. She gets on great with other children.
Skylar was born 5 weeks early, and we were told that Skylar would have a slower rate of development. But what we've seen is Skylar's doing well academically as well as socially, which we think is all down to the staff here.
Dinosaur, well done, Henry.
The adults that the children are with and learning on an everyday basis are trained in childcare qualification.
The key worker does a lot of assessments on the children, and we are able to refer to any outside agencies before the child goes to school and put in any additional support that child may need.
I love everything here about Fantasia. They're marvellous with Olivia.
My career is pretty full on, and I wouldn't be able to do what I do if it wasn't for Fantasia.